What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JB80 Gaming. JB here, doing the update 62 here on Saber Simulator. That's right, Saber Simulator had another update last night, and we are here doing it. So before we get into that, hey, do me a favor, smash that like button. And all you new people out there, hey, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for joining us. And do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe. Well, actually, first subscribe to the channel, then smash that like button. That way you never miss out of any of the giveaways, contests, events that we're having. Who knows, you could be the next winner. I mean, we're giving out Robux, we're giving out moon pets, double and triple moon pets, golden, shinies, rainbow, voids, all the time. I'll just show you a little bit some of the pets I have that we give away to our subscribers. But you also got to join our group page, JB80 Gaming on Roblox. The description will be in the link below. The link will be in the description below. I can't get my words out right because I'm trying to see this new update. Now, I do know this much. The update is update 62. They gave us a new island with new pets, which I've already opened some pets, and as you can see in the title, you'll see in a minute what I did hatch already. Also, they gave you a new Saber. They gave us a new class. They gave us 3 things. Of course, they went up to the 475 boost. But with some of us, man, that boost ain't really doing nothing for us at all. Now, one thing they didn't list in there was, looks like we got some new auras here. We got the Brawler, the Magician, and all the way to the Scavenger. So I got them in there, but they didn't give us no pet auras. Come on, Saber. Well, let me go and say, come on, HD Games. I guess you're spending all your time on our Empire Arcade because you really haven't gave us anything at all with Saber. I mean, I did a video earlier, some of the update ideas they could do. They've got to do something big. I mean, we're losing interest in this game because really after one day, we didn't hit max class. We didn't hit max Saber. And we're getting pets like crazy because, look at this, I done hatched all the pets there, all the pets. And as you can see right here, you see my 6 voids, which I'll be giving some of them away on the pet giveaways. I've got about 20 rainbow pets we'll be giving away. Look at this I hatched today, a rainbow, the frost demon. That is the triple moon pet off this island. No levels or anything. It's doing 76, 250 strength and 26,000. Excuse me, let me get my eyes straight. I got my glasses on. 25,625 crowns. You want some crowns? There you go. That's your boy. But look at all these. Look at the boys. Rainbows, 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 rainbows. Look at it. There's a shiny triple moon pet. And we got a golden triple moon pet. And then we got a bunch of more golden triple moon pet. I mean, well, yeah. They're golden regular moon pets. I mean, double moon pets. These are your triple moon pets. The frosted demon. And here are your double moon pets right there. But as you see, your boys got tons, I mean tons of moon pets. And I'll be giving them away. But you got to subscribe to the channel. You got to like the videos. You got to watch them. Watch them all the way through like my son GG says. And we got shirts in our JB80 Gaming group page store. It says GG says kick rocks. If you don't want to watch the whole video, go outside and kick a rock. Alright, let's go in here and let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and check this class out. Let's check this class out right here. Right here, the class. We went from a snowman to a Lord of Death. A snowman was doing 10K. The Lord of Death is doing 13K. 13K. It's only 4KK to buy. I've got 2.7KL. So we got plenty to buy that. The only problem is we're going to start over. Now, does my strength go down to 0 once I buy this? Let's find out real quick. But we are going up max class right now. Buy now. That is correct. We had just bought that. Yes, our strength went all the way down. So we went Lord of Death. Of course, we're going to screenshot because that's going to go on the page itself. Now we have to grind to go ahead and get what we need to get right there. Wow, look at the coins already. I didn't pull my sword. I ain't pull my saber out right there. We're going to go ahead and sabers. We're going to buy all real quick. There we go. I bought a bunch of them. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to grind real quick when we get right there to max saber. I'll jump back on here and we'll go from there. But I'll see you in just a few minutes. All right, everybody, we are back, and guess what? We are now max class, and we are now max saber. I mean, wow. I mean, it took me literally, I didn't have to pause the video. I shouldn't have, or stop the video, because I mean, it happened within 4 minutes of getting that. I mean, it's so easy now with that. And there's no challenges to Saber Simulator anymore. Come on now. This game used to be tons of fun. Now it's like, all right, first day, let me get the max class, max saber. Then let me grind the pets and see what I can get. There's your max saber, 5.688 kg. The Heaven Hunter, 5.8, and there we go. Max class, right there. Lord of Death, Lord of Death. And so everybody wants to take a look at it. That is it. Right now it's getting me 20.311C. And let's go to the last island and see what's getting up here for us. The last island, island 73. Up here when I swing, I'm getting 169C, 168C, 168C. So it's getting me a ton of these. We're going to put that up real quick. But anyway, so that is it. As you can see, we are Lord of Death. We are max class. We are max saber. We've got the rainbow triple moon pet. I mean, I've got 1.KK coins right now. I mean, I don't want to go trade nobody. Let's send me my total coins now. Total strength, 29.77 KB. My total coins, 2.845 KL. My total strength, 29.77 KB is my total strength. I wonder if that's even anywhere good for the leaderboard. I can't even read that leaderboard. I don't even understand this leaderboard anymore because it's showing me whatever KB, but I mean, I don't know. Is that 29? I mean, who knows? Oh, I saw 80000. I thought that was me on there. Failed to load, failed to load. Of course it's failed to load. I don't know. If we're on there, we'll find out. So who knows? Who knows? We'll find out. It'll eventually be updated or somehow. Probably not on there. But anyway, do the video. We want to show you. We got the max class. We got the max saber. We got close to the max pet, which is the rainbow triple moon pet. We got a ton of coins, a ton of strength. So the only thing I got left now is just the grinding pets. And guess what? I'm gonna be grinding them pets to give away to y'all here on Saber Simulator through JB80 Gaming. If you subscribe to my channel and you join our group page, JB80 Gaming, we give away Robux. The other day I gave away about 600-700 Robux. We give away about 1,000 double or triple moon pets. We're talking about golden, shinies, the regular double or triple moon pets, rainbows, even voids. Actually, we're saving up the rainbows and voids right now. We're gonna have a contest event where we're gonna give away 100 double and triple moon pets, which are rainbows and voids. But you have to be a member of our group page and you have to subscribe to our channel and smash that like button, and be sure to watch the whole video through. If you don't want to watch the whole thing, hey, do like GG says, go outside and kick a rock. If you want what GG says, kick a rock, go to my group page, check out our merch. There's one of our merch shirts right there, JB80 Gaming. We have a ton of them in there, and when you buy them Robux does not go in my pocket. We use them on events and contests for y'all. But go in there and check it out. Also, by the way, I have a thing coming up. Anybody watch this video, if you buy one of our merch shirts, go in there. I'll be posting later on today a video about a contest we're having or event we're having tonight. Everybody that buys the merch gets 5 double or triple moon pets. 5 double or triple moon pets. Here's the big news. The big news is we're giving away a Nintendo Switch, some Robux gift cards, and some regular like Apple and Google Play gift cards. But you have to subscribe to the channel. You have to subscribe to the channel. And you have to be a member of JB80 Gaming group page. If you want to win a Nintendo Switch, this is how to do it. We're giving it away in 2 weeks. Subscribe, that way you don't miss out on the video I'm releasing on how to win that. But other than that, I appreciate everything. Be sure to smash that like button. Leave me a comment. Let's find out, why are they not updating Saber more than this? Why are they not giving us more into this game? Check us out on TikTok. Check us out on Facebook, and check us out on Instagram. All the links will be in the description below. Also, all you new people out there, if you haven't already, smash that like. So, hey, I got to catch myself. Subscribe to the channel, then smash that like button. Other than that, this is JB80 Gaming. I'll catch y'all later today with another video on the contest we're having tonight, where we're giving away some Robux and we're giving away some moon pets. Y'all have a great day.
Now turn up.